The video is here. I'm gonna show you guys how to make 2 million shekels in Grow a Garden 2 very easily and very fast. Honestly, bamboo is cracked in this game. That is literally the method. I'm not gonna make this video 10 minutes long, 5 minutes long. It's gonna be like 4 or 3 minutes long. The method is literally bamboo. All you need, honestly, is just a couple hundred seeds. I mean, what am I saying? Couple hundred shekels, and then all you're gonna want to do is just stack up on bamboo. That's literally what I've been doing. And mushroom. When you have enough money, you want to also get mushrooms, but bamboo is the method. Literally, I'm gonna show you guys right now live, like literally a live thing of me selling bamboo. I already used. There's also a method like the bargain method, which I have a video on my channel. It's a short that shows you how to do the bargain method. It's mad easy and it like multiplies your money. Like this is from one inventory right here, 38 million. That was from one inventory using the bargain method. I'm gonna show you guys an example right now. So I'm gonna go ahead. You guys can see I don't have like anything in my inventory. By the way, one bamboo seed is 700 shekels, right? I'm gonna just grab some of my mutated ones. You just want to place them, wait for them to get mutated, and then when they get mutated and they're grown, just sell them. I'm gonna grab some mutated ones right now, and I'm gonna show you guys. Hold up, it's kind of hard to grab. Forget, I'll just grab some regular ones too. All right, I only got like what? I got like, what the frick? Oh, okay, I got like 4 of them. I got four. I got 4 bamboos. Now I'm gonna go sell them. I'm gonna do sell inventory. 37,000 for 4 bamboo. That costed me what? 2,800. 2,800 shekels turned to 39,000, right? 39,000. I had a whole inventory of that because I had like hundreds and hundreds of bamboo. I had a whole inventory of that. Plus, I did the bargain method, and I had some mushrooms, and then I got like 39 million. It was crazy. I'm telling you guys, rinse and repeat, and then start getting like the dragon fruit, the dragon breath seed. Like I already got some. I have more growing right now. And yeah, you'll become rich in no time. Literally, you'll become a millionaire in like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It's so easy, I swear. Also, guys, I have a guild if you guys want to join it. Just comment down your username. Make sure you guys are liked and subscribed. This is the guild right here. Oh wait, wrong one. This is the guild right here. IRL cuties. We're trying to get number 1. Top people will get like gifts and stuff like seeds, pets and stuff. And yeah, so like, subscribe. Peace out.